Thursday, February 22nd, 2024. Chair of St. Peter. Focus. Who do you say that I am? When Jesus asked his disciples who he was to them, Peter promptly replied, "You are the Christ, the Son of the living God." Jesus was so appreciative of Peter's divinely inspired confession that he bestowed on him the authority and office of the first Pope. The chair of St. Peter, which we celebrate today, symbolizes this authority. Jesus was also keen to know what other people, apart from his closest friends, thought about him. If he were to ask me right now, what would my answer be? I had not properly considered this earlier, but today I deliberately did. I realized that Jesus is so many different things to me at different points in time, depending on the situation. He is my friend in need, healer, comforter, my backbone, and above all, He is my Lord and Savior. He is my way, my truth, and my life. Uttering this heartfelt confession to myself and then writing it down, a deep sigh escaped me. I felt so much at peace and comforted. Once we acknowledge our relationship with Jesus and His intimate place in our life, we have the foundation and faith required to survive life's storms and be a witness to Him. Then, nothing will stop us from proclaiming Jesus with our lives and moving mountains with our faith. Fruit. I will confess who is Jesus to me as often as possible.